Hey there, folks. If you're an American Express cardholder who's ever wondered how to make a payment without logging into your account online, you're in the right place. Today, I'm walking you through the simple process of paying your American Express bill over the phone. This method is perfect for those busy days when you're on the move or just prefer a personal touch. Let's dive right in. First things first, gather your essentials. You'll need your American Express card number, the expiration date, your billing zip code, and the amount you want to pay. It's also a good idea to have your bank account or debit card details handy if you're paying from an external source. This prep work will make the call smooth and efficient. Next, grab your phone and dial the American Express customer service number. You can find this on the back of your card or on their official website. It's usually 1-800-472-9297 for payments in the US. Once connected, you'll likely go through an automated system. Follow the prompts to select the option for making a payment. Now, for the fun part. Verifying your identity. The system will ask for your card number and maybe a few security questions to ensure it's really you. Don't worry, this is standard for security purposes. After verification, you'll be guided to enter your payment details. Specify the amount, choose your payment method, like a bank account or credit card, and provide the necessary information. Once everything is entered, the representative or automated system will confirm the details with you. Double-check everything to avoid any mistakes, then go ahead and authorize the payment. You'll get a confirmation number right away, which you should jot down for your records. A few quick tips to make this even easier. Always use a secure line for calls involving financial info, and be aware that there might be a small fee for phone payments, though it's rare. If you run into any issues, the customer service representative is there to help. And remember, paying by phone can sometimes process faster than other methods. There you have it. Paying your American Express bill by phone is straightforward and hassle-free. Give this video a like if it helped, and don't forget to subscribe for more money-saving tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.